It's another beautiful day back down here in South Florida. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79. And this little pioneer is going to cut in front of the jet ski. My man on the ski looks like he's struggling trying to get up here. Up, down he goes! Oh! He even smacked his tail on the ski. Ouch. My man, he is going to struggle to get back up from this one. We got a jet boat that thought they were going to try and move in on him. I'm assuming he couldn't see the ski there because it was below the dock. And he quickly realizes he's going to have to brake check out of that. But you're shot blocking us, bro. Come on. Oh, man. So he's going to have to switch docks. I'm just guessing he thought he could make the turn in. Like I said, the ski's below the dock, so when he came around the corner, he just didn't see it there. Our guy's working his way back up. And he's onto the dock now. Let's see if he can actually get over the hump here, though, and get up. And we're on all fours, but he's going to make it up onto the dock. And everything appears to be okay. So let's see if our jet boat can get on. So Cap looks like he's got a game plan of some kind now. But he might get snaked on the outside. As he sat there waiting for a little bit. Let's see if this boat's going to cut him off. And I'm not sure if they did. I think he was going to go to the other dock. They got ahead of him, so he decides he's going to go to this one instead. The last second change. But I think he's going to be all right. He's got a pretty good angle on this one. My man will be good to roll. So this was the guy we saw pass a few moments ago, kind of cutting the jet boat off, and he's coming back over to this dock. But the jet ski's there, bro. I'm not sure what you guys are going to do. I guess they just don't even care. We're just going to dock right on top of this jet ski. We'll just push it into the dock. Oh, man. My guy on this ski is just not having a good day. Falls in the water. Lands his tail on the ski. And now this boat's like, yeah, bro, move your jalopy. We're docking here anyway. What are they doing? He's going to hit the dock. And there we go. We get the little light dock bump. Somebody's finally moving up to the bow. Got a line, but I just don't even understand what you guys are going to do. Unless they're just going to tie the bow off and let the boat hang. Did the ski come off? I can't tell. And it definitely came off of the dock, but I'm trying to figure out if the line came off, and it's free floating now. Now our guys are going to push right into this ski and push it back into the dock. Well, it looks like somebody's having a rough day on the water. I wonder if this is a rescue? I can't... It looks like he's handcuffed. I can't tell from this angle. I got a feeling somebody had a little too much fun out at the sandbar. So we'll have to see... Once Miami's Finest pulls up to the dock here, if my man is actually cuffed or not. This is, I mean, We don't see a ton of arrests down at the boat ramp, being honest. Now, we see police pull up, plenty of tickets issued. But this could be the first person that I think I've seen actually pulled up in cuffs. Boating's a happy place, right? You shouldn't be getting arrested in boating. So our guys, they're struggling a little bit to get the dock, but here we go. We've got 2 lines on now. We should be good to roll from here. And our camera girl is struggling. And yes, oh man, he is in cuffs. Somebody is having a rough day. That is a tough way to end your day out on the water. I have no clue what he did. But his day is going to be ending somewhere beyond the sandbar. Kind of interesting, though. I mean, he was handcuffed, but had a life jacket on. I don't think the life jacket was strapped, so it wasn't going to do any good. Are they letting him go? I guess not. No, for a moment I thought maybe they were actually releasing him from the cuffs, but it looks like they're going to take him out of here. Tough break, bro. Hopefully it was nothing too wild and crazy. Well, it looks like our crew's going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.